Yo, what up everybody, Matt Mantella here, and today we are going to talk about the single most important part of creating great images, lighting. You can have a super expensive camera and a super expensive lens, but if you don't have great lighting, none of it is going to matter. Today we are going to cover three-point lighting, what it is, and how to set it up. Three-point lighting is a specific combination of three specific lights designed to get very specific results. It's the bedrock upon which all lighting theory is built. And the good news is, once you understand three-point lighting, you can break the rules in order to achieve different results. The goal of three-point lighting is simple. Illuminate the subject and separate them from the background. Cinematography is all about taking what you see on a 2D screen and making it look as three-dimensional as possible. The first light in a three-point lighting setup is the key light. Its primary purpose is to illuminate your subject. The second light in a three-point lighting setup is called the fill light. The fill light's objective is to illuminate the side of your subject opposite of the key light. And the third light is called a backlight or a rim light. This light is used to give a little glow behind your subject to help separate them from the background. And of course, if you want to get really fancy, you can add a fourth light to illuminate the background, which should help separate your subject from the background even more. There are a couple different ways you can manipulate this lighting setup in order to achieve different results. For example, your fill light can be used to control how dramatic your image looks. As you can see right now, both sides of my face are illuminated approximately the same. It's pretty flat. But once I start to take the fill light out of the equation, you can see how quickly it starts to look dramatic. Another fun trick is if you remove the key light and the fill light entirely, you have witness protection. Boom, that's three-point lighting. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you liked what you saw here, please like and subscribe. And if you really liked what you saw here, turn those notifications on so that you are notified each time I release a new video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time, which will be the best time.